Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step plan to make your first $1,000 online in just 7 days. Whether you're a complete beginner or have tried making money online before, this guide is designed to be practical and actionable. We'll cover proven strategies, highlight common pitfalls, and share tips to help you stay motivated. By the end of this journey, you'll have a clear roadmap and the confidence to take your first steps toward online income. Let's dive in and unlock your earning potential together, starting with understanding the basics of online opportunities. Before we get into the practical steps, it's crucial to adopt the right mindset. Making money online requires consistency, patience, and a willingness to learn. Many people give up too soon because they expect instant results. Remember, the first $1,000 is often the hardest, but it's also the most rewarding. Stay focused, set realistic goals, and be prepared to adapt as you go. With the right attitude, you'll be able to overcome challenges and keep moving forward, even when things get tough. Let's set the foundation for your success by building a positive and resilient mindset. There are countless ways to make money online, but not all are suitable for everyone. The first step is to choose a path that aligns with your skills, interests, and available time. Some popular options include freelancing, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, and offering online services. Take a moment to reflect on what you enjoy and where your strengths lie. This will help you stay motivated and increase your chances of success. In the next scenes, we'll explore these options in more detail so you can make an informed decision. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start earning online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients looking for skills such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. If you have a marketable skill, freelancing allows you to start immediately with minimal investment. You can set your own rates, choose projects that interest you, and build a portfolio over time. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to set up your freelancing profile for maximum impact. A strong profile is essential for attracting clients. Use a professional photo, write a clear and concise bio, and highlight your skills and experience. Include samples of your work if possible. Be honest about your abilities and set realistic expectations. Remember, your profile is your first impression, so take the time to make it stand out. In the next scene, we'll look at how to find your first clients and start building your reputation. Getting your first client can be challenging, but it's a crucial step. Start by applying to multiple jobs that match your skills. Write personalized proposals that address the client's needs and explain how you can help. Don't be discouraged by rejections. Persistence pays off. Once you land your first job, deliver high-quality work and ask for feedback. Positive reviews will help you attract more clients and increase your rates over time. Next, let's explore another popular online income stream: selling digital products. Digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, and printables are in high demand. Creating a digital product allows you to earn passive income, as you can sell the same item multiple times. Start by identifying a problem you can solve or knowledge you can share. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable to host and sell your products. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to create a simple digital product even if you have no prior experience. Don't overthink your first digital product. Focus on something simple that provides value, like a checklist, guide, or template. Use free tools like Canva or Google Docs to design your product. Make sure it's easy to use and visually appealing. Once it's ready, upload it to your chosen platform and write a compelling description. In the next scene, we'll cover how to market your product and attract your first customers. To make sales, you need to get your product in front of the right people. Share it on social media, relevant forums, and with your personal network. Consider offering a limited-time discount to encourage early buyers. Collect feedback and use it to improve your product. Consistent promotion is key. Don't be afraid to talk about your product regularly. Next, we'll look at affiliate marketing as another way to earn online. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique link. It's a great option if you don't want to create your own product. Join affiliate programs related to your interests, such as Amazon Associates or ShareASale. Share your affiliate links through blogs, social media, or email newsletters. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to choose the right products to promote. Select products that are relevant to your audience and have a good reputation. Look for items with high demand and reasonable commission rates. Avoid promoting low-quality products, as this can damage your credibility. Research reviews and test products if possible. The more genuinely you can recommend a product, the better your results will be. Next, we'll cover how to create content that drives affiliate sales. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Write honest reviews, create tutorials, or share personal experiences with the product. Use clear calls to action and make it easy for your audience to click your affiliate links. Focus on providing value and answering common questions. The more helpful your content, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to drive traffic to your content. Without traffic, even the best content won't generate sales. Use social media platforms, search engine optimization, SEO, and online communities to attract visitors. Share your content in relevant groups and forums, and engage with your audience by answering questions. Consider using paid ads if you have a budget. Consistent effort will help you build momentum and increase your chances of earning commissions. Next, let's explore offering online services as another income stream. If you have a skill that others need, offering online services can be a fast way to earn money. Services like virtual assistants, tutoring, consulting, or social media management are in high demand. List your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out directly to potential clients. Clearly define what you offer and set competitive rates. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to package your services for maximum appeal. To stand out, package your services in a way that highlights the benefits to your clients. Offer clear deliverables, set timelines, and provide examples of your work. Consider creating service bundles or offering a discount for first-time clients. The easier you make it for clients to understand what you offer, the more likely they are to hire you. Next, we'll look at how to manage your time effectively to maximize your earnings. Effective time management is crucial when working online, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or project management apps to stay organized. Set aside dedicated time each day to work on your online business. Avoid distractions and focus on high-impact activities that move you closer to your $1,000 goal. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to track your progress and stay motivated throughout the week. Tracking your progress helps you stay accountable and identify what's working. Set daily or weekly targets and review your results regularly. Use spreadsheets or apps to record your earnings, tasks completed, and lessons learned. Celebrate small wins to keep yourself motivated. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to adjust your approach. Next, we'll look at how to overcome common challenges you might face during your 7-day journey. Every journey has obstacles. You might face rejection, slow sales, or technical issues. The key is to stay persistent and view challenges as learning opportunities. Reach out to online communities for support, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Remember, every setback brings you one step closer to your goal if you keep moving forward. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to scale your efforts once you've made your first $1,000. Once you've reached your first $1,000, it's time to think about scaling. Analyze which methods worked best and focus your efforts there. Consider outsourcing tasks, automating processes, or expanding your product and service offerings. The skills and experience you've gained will make it easier to earn more in the future. In the next scene, we'll summarize the key takeaways from this 7-day plan. Let's recap the main points. Choose a path that fits your skills, take consistent action, and don't be afraid to start small. Focus on providing value, track your progress, and stay adaptable. Remember, making your first $1,000 online is possible with determination and the right strategy. In the next scenes, we'll break down a day-by-day action plan to help you stay on track throughout the week. On the first day, focus on researching your chosen path and creating a simple plan. Identify your target audience, list your skills, and set a clear income goal. Outline the steps you'll take over the next week. This preparation will give you direction and help you avoid wasting time. In the next scene, we'll move on to setting up your online presence. Today, create or update your online profiles. This could be a freelancing profile, a simple website, or social media pages. Make sure your profiles are professional and clearly communicate what you offer. Add samples or testimonials if you have them. This step builds trust and makes it easier for potential clients or customers to find you. Next, we'll focus on creating your first offer or product. On day 3, develop your first offer, whether it's a service, digital product, or affiliate content. Focus on solving a specific problem for your audience. Keep it simple and actionable. Prepare any materials or resources you need to deliver your offer. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to launch and promote your offer to start generating income. It's launch day. Share your offer with your target audience through social media, email, or online communities. Use clear messaging and highlight the benefits. Don't be afraid to reach out directly to potential clients or customers. The goal is to get your first sale or client as soon as possible. In the next scene, we'll cover how to deliver outstanding value and encourage repeat business. Now that you have your first client or sale, focus on delivering exceptional value. Communicate clearly, meet deadlines, and exceed expectations where possible. Happy clients are more likely to leave positive reviews and refer others. This builds your reputation and helps you attract more business. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to collect feedback and use it to improve. Feedback is essential for growth. Ask your clients or customers for honest feedback on your product or service. Use their suggestions to make improvements and address any issues. Positive reviews can be showcased to attract new clients. Constructive criticism helps you refine your offer. In the next scene, we'll focus on scaling your efforts for the final push to $1,000. On the final day, focus on scaling what's working. Reach out to more potential clients, increase your promotional efforts, or launch a new offer. Optimize your processes based on feedback and results from the week. The goal is to maximize your earnings and hit the $1,000 target. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to maintain momentum after your first week. After your first week, it's important to keep the momentum going. Set new goals, continue learning, and look for ways to improve your offers. Consistency is key to long-term success. Stay connected with your clients and audience and keep building your online presence. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of networking and community in your online journey. Building relationships with others in your industry can open up new opportunities. Join online communities, participate in discussions, and offer help where you can. Networking can lead to collaborations, referrals, and valuable advice. Don't underestimate the power of a supportive community. In the next scene, we'll look at how to keep learning and adapting in the fast-changing online world. The online world evolves quickly, so it's important to keep learning. Follow industry blogs, take online courses, and experiment with new tools and strategies. The more you learn, the more value you can offer your clients and customers. Stay curious and open to change. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to manage your finances as you start earning online. As you start earning, it's important to manage your finances wisely. Track your income and expenses, set aside money for taxes, and reinvest in your business where possible. Use budgeting tools or apps to stay organized. Good financial habits will help you grow your online income sustainably. In the next scene, we'll cover how to avoid common scams and stay safe online. Unfortunately, the online world has its share of scams. Be cautious of offers that sound too good to be true and never pay upfront for job opportunities. Research platforms and clients before working with them. Use secure payment methods and protect your personal information. Staying vigilant will help you avoid costly mistakes. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to balance your online work with other commitments. Working online offers flexibility, but it's important to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Set boundaries for your work hours and make time for rest and personal activities. Avoid burnout by taking regular breaks and staying connected with friends and family. A balanced approach will help you stay productive and enjoy your online journey. In the next scene, we'll look at how to set long-term goals for continued growth. Now that you've made your first $1,000, think about your long-term goals. Do you want to build a full-time online business or keep it as a side hustle? Set clear, achievable milestones and review your progress regularly. Long-term planning will keep you motivated and focused on growth. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to diversify your income streams for greater stability. Relying on a single income stream can be risky. Explore additional ways to earn online, such as investing, creating new products, or expanding your services. Diversification increases your stability and opens up new opportunities. Keep experimenting and learning to find what works best for you. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of building your personal brand. A strong personal brand sets you apart in the crowded online space. Consistently share your story, values, and expertise across your platforms. Use a professional photo, cohesive visuals, and a clear message. Over time, your brand will attract loyal clients and customers. In the next scene, we'll cover how to handle setbacks and stay resilient. Setbacks are a natural part of any journey. When things don't go as planned, take a step back, analyze what happened, and adjust your strategy. Stay positive and remember that every challenge is an opportunity to learn. Resilience will help you bounce back stronger and keep moving toward your goals. In the next scene, we'll discuss celebrating your achievements. Don't forget to celebrate your achievements, big or small. Recognizing your progress boosts motivation and confidence. Treat yourself when you reach milestones and share your success with supportive friends or communities. Celebrating keeps you energized for the next challenge. In the next scene, we'll look at how to inspire others with your journey. Your journey can inspire others to start their own online income path. Share your story, challenges, and lessons learned. Offer advice and encouragement to those just starting out. By helping others, you'll build a positive reputation and expand your network. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of giving back as you grow. As you achieve success, consider giving back to your community. This could be through mentoring, sharing resources, or supporting causes you care about. Giving back not only helps others, but also enriches your own journey. It creates a cycle of positivity and growth. In the next scene, we'll summarize the key lessons from your 7-day online income journey. Let's recap your 7-day journey. You started with research and planning, set up your online presence, created and launched your offer, delivered value, collected feedback, scaled your efforts, and celebrated your achievements. Each step brought you closer to your $1,000 goal. Remember, this is just the beginning. Keep building on your success and aim higher each time. In the next scene, we'll provide a quick checklist to keep you on track. Here's a quick checklist to guide your journey. 1. Choose your path. 2. Set up your online presence. 3. Create your offer. 4. Launch and promote. 5. Deliver value. 6. Collect feedback. 7. Scale and optimize. Use this as a reference whenever you need to refocus or get back on track. In the next scene, we'll share some final tips for ongoing success. As you continue your online income journey, remember to stay adaptable, keep learning, and never give up. The online world is full of opportunities for those who are persistent and willing to grow. Celebrate your progress, learn from setbacks, and always look for ways to add more value. Your first $1,000 is just the start of what's possible. In the next scene, we'll wrap up with a motivational message. Congratulations on taking the first step toward financial independence. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Stay committed, keep pushing forward, and believe in your ability to succeed. The skills and confidence you gain now will serve you for years to come. Your journey to earning online is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching, and here's to your continued success. At the heart of this journey is the concept of online income. This refers to earning money through digital platforms, leveraging the power of the internet to reach clients, customers, and opportunities worldwide. Online income can take many forms, from freelancing and selling products to affiliate marketing and offering services. The key is to find the right fit for your skills and interests, and to approach it with consistency and a willingness to learn. Embracing online income opens up new possibilities for financial freedom and personal growth.